Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be working in Green Estate at a house that we wired. This is the boy, electrician Barris. Yeah. So we're in the finishing stage, and today I want to give you a tour of this house. So yeah, that's what's going on. The sun is out bright. It's a beautiful day. So this is it right here, guys. This is Green Estate. A lot of beautiful houses, a lot of development happening. Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, just past this construction site. I stop and check with them, see if they need an electrician. They gave me the last number, so I'm gonna call him up and see if he needs an electrician. Who knows? Maybe he has one already, but I'm just gonna call him and check him. Yeah, the house that I'm working on, right to the back here. So get back to you when I get there. So this is it, guys. The house isn't as complete as I thought it was. So whatever is here, I'm going to give you a tour of what's going on here. Yeah, guys, I'm going to start with the master bedroom. It's kind of echoing here. Okay. This is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Bathroom, master bathroom. Thought this would have been done already. The shower needs to be completed. These cabinets. To be like mahogany, quality mahogany, like a nice work. I think what I like most about this room is the closet. See, guys, this is a very spacious closet. what I like about it also is that it has a lot of storage space up top. Up top above the closet here. Another thing that I like about it is the natural light. Right there it has two windows. Not really windows, but two glass that let in the natural light. The ceiling is very high. I will be installing lights up there today. Right here needs to be completed. That's not completed. Okay guys, not much else to say about this room. This is the master bedroom. Right there we have outlets for TV and cable. I will be installing ceiling fan lights. You know.